Here we go. Personalised t-shirts. Maybe we remember it forever and ever. You should put my name in there as well. Just so you remember it. If you join with Jordan, you can just try down after.
Thank you. Okay, I think Mickey and Minnie sent these for you guys. Let's see. This one says it's for Mia from Minnie Mouse. What is it? Open it up. What did she send you? Can you get it open?
Minnie Mouse hat.
It's a Minnie Mouse hat. Look, Dad.
Oh, wow.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool, huh? Good job. All right, what else is in your thing? Do you need some help?
What is shipping?
I'll try. What else did Minnie send you? What is it?
I don't know.
Pull it out.
What is that?
What is it?
What is this, Daddy?
Looks like a pack. Like a backpack.
It is a pack.
And it's, you know what it is? It's pink.
Minnie Mouse sent you a pink gift?
Yes, open Cowan's.
Okay.
Come here, buddy.
Callan, come here, bud.
Look what Mommy got you.
Mommy, no, Minnie and Mickey sent you guys these. Take it over to him.
Yeah. So, let me open it for him. What's this for Cowan?
What is that?
What is this, buddy? Mickey in there for
Oh, look, Cal.
Mickey, buddy. See?
Oh,
Mickey.
that's pretty cool.
Whoa, it's a box.
It's a night light. Here, I'll take
And
that.
sound machine?
No, just a night light.
Travelers, adventurers, friends, my name is Coriander.
And I am Sage.
We are the storytellers.
We are the treasure seekers.
From far and wide you've traveled, but your journey is just beginning.
Indeed, you've gathered here for adventure. You've gathered here for magic.
You've gathered here to seek a treasure.
Here they come.
Hi there. Come on, let's set sail.
Yeah, can you go through it?
Is this with the stand on?
I think so.
Cheese.
I
What is this? Look.
don't know. I don't know.
You know what? I need to breathe, find my chi. I just need 15 minutes to. Hi, I'm Scott Lang. But you might know me as Ant-Man. Pretty sweet, right?
We're still looking. Nope.
Oh, it's okay.
I know it's green, baby.
What is green on?
Look, Mia. Isn't that cool?
Guys,
Isn't that cool?
you can send here message.
That's Daddy's drink.
Get a message, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Did you like that scene?
Hola, 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 everyone. Welcome. Bienvenidos a Santa Cecilia.
We're so excited to have you all here tonight in our home to celebrate and help us prepare for Dia de Muertos.
Sí, señor. You dance so beautifully.
What kind of tally animal is that?
I giraffe.
It's a giraffe. No, it's not. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
It's an elephant.
The elephant.
This is his trunk.
Oh, cheese. Uh-oh. Look. Oh, I brought my bagel.
And the whole ship could go down if we played too much.
They are so cute.
Do you wanna touch him? They're so fluffy.
It's okay, bud. Huh? Well, no, we're taking a break. What is it, May?
It's on the balloon.
What is it?
That's cool.
It's a character from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, cool. That's really cool.
It's also on my pillow.
Let's whisper, okay? Isn't that so cool?
We're in the middle of a celebration dinner here on our ship.
You call that a ship?
That isn't exactly the music that was in my plan, but... Well, you humans seem to enjoy it, so I've noted that in my database. And now we can get back to my skit. As you enjoy...
Hey, Cal.
I'll provide some fun diversions on the side monitors. Let's see how many heroes you can identify.
He took away his thing. Alright. What's it? What's it? Hey, what's it? Good job!
Yay! It is. Ready? Whoa! I did see